Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send USDT from Uphold to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need an Uphold account with some USDT in it, and the Phantom Wallet app set up on your phone or browser. Phantom is popular for Solana-based assets like USDT, so it's a great pair for this transfer. If you haven't already, download Phantom from the App Store or Extension Store and create or import your wallet. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio and find your USDT balance. It's usually listed under your assets. Click on it to see your options. Now, for the fun part, we need to get your Phantom Wallet address. Open the Phantom app, go to your wallet overview, and copy the address. Pro tip: always verify the address starts with the correct prefix, like A, for Solana, to prevent sending to the wrong network. Back in Uphold, select the Withdraw or Send option for USDT. Paste the Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to choose the right network. USDT on Phantom is typically on the Solana blockchain, so select that if available. You'll see a summary of fees and details, so take a moment to review everything. Once you're confident, hit Confirm, and Uphold will process the transaction. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Phantom Wallet for the incoming funds. And there you have it. Your USDT is now on its way to Phantom. This method keeps your assets flexible and secure. If you run into any issues, check Uphold's support or Phantom's help section. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.